Priya's strength, multitasking.
Rohanar strength, hodai rungian. Ami do you belik.
Pise ejon anjonor strength.
Aru ei strength ami nito pao Protein X khai.
Scientifically designed e 8 সপ্তাহতে আপোনাৰ strength বঢ়োৱাত সহায় কৰে. Protein X.
Strength apunar babe.
Apunjonor babe.
Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma today inaugurated Mallangkona Police Outpost in West Khasi Hills. Also present for the inauguration were Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong, MLA, R. Momin, DGP Meghalaya, Idashisha Nongrang, MDC Gigur Myrthong and other senior officials of the police department. Delivering the inaugural address, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma said that safety and security of the people of the state is of utmost priority of the government.
So we are here in Mallangkona today, and as you've seen, we have just inaugurated the new building of the Mallangkona Outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security of our people is important, and that's why we have all come here to be part of this program. And we want to show that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. So I congratulate our Honorable Deputy CM in charge Home Police and all the officials who have made this project a success. Thank you very much.
To give a vote of thanks for this special program.
On behalf of the SP, Sir, West Khasi Hills, I'm glad to be standing here to express my vote of thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri